Hi guys, you can see here at the back of me we have a culvert. It has a total length of 14 meters. The width is 16.8 meters. Each cell has a length of 3 meters and it is having a total width of 7.3 meters along the road. You can see that the walls had already been constructed, and here we are going to do the construction of the decking slab. The reinforcement bars have been placed here, as you can see. Along with the reinforcement bars of the decking slab, we are providing the reinforcement bars for the head wall, as you can see. You can see that the props or building jacks have been provided to give support to the structure. After the placement of reinforcement bars, you can see here that we are doing the shuttering for the deck slab. We shall also provide support to the shuttering of deck slab with props 2x4 or the building jacks, as you can see here. The total thickness is going to be 30 centimeters for the deck slab. It will consume almost 72 cubic of concrete. Concrete spacers were also placed, as you can see, at the bottom of reinforcement bars. So guys, I hope you liked today's video. If you still have any questions or comments, feel free to write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, goodbye.